गोयभर बेकायदेशीर बांधकामांची प्रकरणां वाढल्या उपरांत हायकोर्टान स्वेच्छा दखल घेतिल्ली. बेकायदेशीर बांधकामांचेर सरकार कितें एक्शन घेता त्या विशीं सरकारान जाप विचारल्या उपरांत आतां सरकारान एक्शन प्लान हायकोर्टा मुखार दवरला. पयलीं पालिका वाठारांतली रस्त्या कुशीक उबारिल्ली वेवसायीक आस्थापनां बुलडोज करपाचो प्लान, ताच्या उपरांत पंचायत वाठारांत तशीच एक्शन. ताचे मागीर सरकारी जमनी आनी कोमनिदाद जमनीवेली बांदकामां खंय सरकार मोडटा.
PIL suo motu petition, of which the learned Chief Justice had taken cognizance. After multiple hearings that had come up for hearing today, the court is investigating into and inquiring into illegal constructions which are coming up, mushrooming across the state of Goa. The court can pass some workable orders in this regard. So today when the matter had come up for hearing, we have suggested to this honorable court that when the court is inquiring into the illegal constructions which are mushrooming across the state, the court may consider characterizing it into different categories so that effective orders can be passed, so in certain direction in respect of those constructions which are commercial in nature, and then subsequently can focus on those constructions which are residential in nature. So today certain categories we have suggested to this honorable court, that illegal construction as far as the government land is concerned, as far as the road widening area is concerned, Komundad lands are concerned, tenanted paddy fields are concerned, those categories shall be looked into first. Commercial structures which are mushrooming in these areas need to be inquired into first. Constructions in the panchayat area and in the municipal area, so that court can pass effective orders in that regard.
बेकायदेशीर बांधकामां मोडपाविशीं कांय दीस आदीं सुप्रीम कोर्टान सगळ्या राज्यांक अटी घाल्यात. बांधकामाचेर नोटीस मारची पडटली, कशें बेकायदेशीर तें दाखोवचें पडटलें, उपरांतूच एक्शन घेवपाक मेळटा. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.